Synodontis leopardinus, known as the leopard squeaker, is a species of upside-down catfish that is native to the Cunene, Okavango and upper Zambezi Rivers. It was first described by Jacques Pellegrin in 1914. The original specimens were obtained in Barotsés, on the Zambezi River in Zambia. The species name leopardinus means leopard-like, referring to the fish's small black spots on a yellowish body. Description: like all members of the Synodontis genus, leopardinus has a strong, bony head capsule that extends back as far as the first spine of the dorsal fin. The head contains a distinct, narrow, bony, external protrusion called the humeral process. The fish has 3 pairs of barbels. The maxillary barbels are located on the upper jaw, and 2 pairs of mandibular barbels are on the lower jaw. The adipose fin is large and the tail, or caudal fin, is forked. The front edges of the dorsal fins and the pectoral fins are hardened into stiff spines. These spines can be raised into position at right angles to the body and locked into position for defensive purposes. The ability to lock the spines into place comes from several small bones attached to the spine, and once raised, the spines cannot be folded down by exerting pressure on the tip. The fish has a structure called the premaxillary tooth pad, which is located on the very front of the upper jaw of the mouth. This structure contains several rows of short, chisel-shaped teeth. On the lower jaw, or mandible, the teeth are attached to flexible, stalk-like structures and described as S-shaped or hooked. The maximum standard length of the species is 19.6 centimeters, 7.7 in. Generally, females in the Synodontis genus tend to be slightly larger than males of the same age. Habitat and behavior. In the wild, the species occurs in the upper Zambezi and Okavango river systems. As a whole, species of Synodontis are omnivores, consuming insect larvae, algae, gastropods, bivalves, sponges, crustaceans, and the eggs of other fishes. The reproductive habits of most of the species of Synodontis are not known, beyond some instances of obtaining egg counts from gravid females. Spawning likely occurs during the flooding season between July and October, and pairs swim in unison during spawning. The growth rate is rapid in the first year, then slows down as the fish age. Data related to Synodontis leopardinus at Wikispecies.